Now that we're finished mixing up all of our ingredients into our green bean casserole, comes the most important part. Well, at least for those who like the topping. We're going to put about a cup of the French fried onions sprinkled on top of the casserole. Now you notice we used a cup and a third for the entire casserole, and we're putting most of that on top. What you want is to make sure you have a nice even layer on top. And if you don't quite have enough, even with that full cup, feel free to get some more and just sprinkle it out on top. The 1 1/3 cups is merely a guideline because you really want to have the top of it covered so you don't see any green beans or soup underneath. If you add a little bit too much, well, there probably isn't too much that you can add unless all you have is onions on top. You just want to make sure that you have a super even layer with nothing showing underneath. Got a little bit of green bean poking out there. And there you have it. Everything is nicely covered and we're ready to stick it in the oven.